Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on auto repairs with AutoZone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on auto repairs, start by visiting your local AutoZone store. Enter the store and head straight to the parts counter. Inform the staff that you're looking for parts to save on repairs. Request any necessary diagnostic tests or free services they offer. Ask about their current promotions or discounts available on parts. Check their clearance section for discounted items. Utilize the AutoZone website or mobile app. Search for parts by entering your vehicle's make, model, and year. Review special online deals to find competitive prices. Consider signing up for their rewards program to earn points on purchases. Gather your auto repair tools to be prepared for DIY fixes. Watch instructional videos on AutoZone's website for common repair tasks. Purchase a repair manual specific to your vehicle if needed. If you're unsure about a repair, consult with AutoZone employees for advice. Keep an eye out for community events or workshops they may host. Always compare prices between AutoZone and other parts retailers in your area. Plan regular maintenance to avoid costly repairs down the line. Follow these steps to maximize your savings on auto repairs at AutoZone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.